Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to pick up your camera roll on Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to admin it? First of all, you have to open your Snapchat profile, then you will find this gear icon to the upper right hand corner. Click on it and scroll down and click on memories and turn on this toggle for smart backup. If this is off, you have to turn on this, and after that click on save button. From here you can save your memories, and camera roll, and also you can save only camera roll. So from here I'm selecting memories and camera roll. This is how we can back up our camera roll on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it? Thanks for watching this video.